Man, who is that?
Money right, yeah, man. Know I keep a big bank. Pull up in that foreign thing looking like a fish tank. No tent. Rob.
Yeah, we at our old school.
I want the Hampton.
$8. I think we late here. We so late. We beyond late in this joint. Too late. It's over. Ooh.
It's over. We know it's over.
I ain't even letting nobody in.
That's how y'all do alumni meals?
I know, that's how they do alumni, baby. We win here. She wanted to eat it up in the joint.
But it's over, so we just gonna wait and see where everybody going.
Yeah, we was too late.
They gonna be like,
We was too late. We got all of this. We got these. I don't like that new middle college. They treat the alumni like we ain't nothing. Skeeto in the bed and start playing with it. Everybody play too much.
Minnie, where your class wanna go?
I'm going to Energy Post. Y'all graduated in 2010. 2010. What you talking about, Lanky? Say hi, Lanky.
I wanna say hey to your coming.
That's how you do me. What we finna do? Y'all, we missed the game. It's Destiny's fault we late. It's this our fault.
It ain't my fault.
Hey!
That brother came up here. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, y'all smelling good too.
Thank you. Thank you. What y'all finna do? Taj, you know, I don't even think you follow me on nothing.
Thank you.
Man, who is that? Who is her?
Thank you. I'm gonna come to watch you.
Oh God. Who is that?
I'm down in my old school part one.
We used to get let out right here. Stop.
They was ready.
Y'all might wait till 9 o'clock to when Energy Pops to get the jump. They got a DJ in a fat. It's downtown. Let go. Okay, y'all. It's Dominique LaShae. We back at it again. I'm with the gang. Bro, been arguing me all day since yesterday. I don't know what's wrong with you.
I shoot.
Okay, y'all, we made it to Energy Famous Pasta. Our classmates here. Well, some of our classmates here. But we'll let y'all know how it is when we get in. These are outside.
You see what's going on? We got the side and the joint.
So fast, I need a fork. What a fork? Yes.
Working my whole life and I ain't never
Yeah, you so see the nigga get shot. Y'all, it's my first day at the gym. I'm gonna get copyrighted in here. I can't even. I'm gonna have to put some music on top of this, y'all. But it's my first day. Oh my God. How long I gotta touch my toes?
Go for 12.
My injury.
So glad you here. 25, come on. Good job.
Are you counting? You're not counting.
Welcome to your first day.
You don't count?
Who counts your work? All right, lunge. You're going lunge. We're going to 10 each leg. Press out of it. Good. Press out of it. Good. There you go. Good. Stomach super tight. Super tight. Keep thinking. Keep breathing. All right, we're going 15 jump squat. 15 jump squat.
We gotta get a break.
15 jump squat.
Oh my God.
Going 3 sets. Let's go.
Oh my God.
My elbows are stuck to my side. We're going straight down. Head up, chest up. Work a tricep. Work it back it on. Stay tight to your stomach. Good. We just work back on, now we work the front arm. I'm doing bicep curl. Head up, chest up, whole time. Elbows close to my side. Elbows not moving. There you go, great job.
Oh my God.
All the way down, all the way down, all the way down. Good job, one more time. Let's go. Yeah. Perfect. Good. Give me 15. Effort. We got goals. I don't care about none of that.
Oh my God.
Give me 2 more. You got it.
One more 6.
give you mine and no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time and no. I don't want you.
They went down, y'all. Beyond tired. Finna go home. Shower. Music gonna give me copyright, but yeah, he was working out. Stop playing. Hardcore. Don't give up. First day back. Healthy journey. We on the way. Period. Follow me. Yeah. Bye. Good morning, y'all. So today is Friday, and when I say y'all, I took off work because my room, like, it's just a hot mess. Like, I've been so busy getting out work, running straight to the gym, getting home at like 8:39, and I be so tired to where my room has just been neglected, bathroom neglected. Like, look at this. I never lived like this. Like, this is just bad. Like, I never lived like this. Never. So I'm finna just clean this up. I wanna go get my nails done. My nails haven't been done in months. My feet look horrible. So this basically like a maintenance day to myself, cause I gotta get a lot done. So just stay with me, y'all know we don't do too much talking. Let's get it.
Started with nothing, look at me now, I made a way for me. Remember them times when it was hard for me to save a G. The cars weren't always foreign, but we would get from A to B. Interior in the Beamer tan. Benz got some white seats. Hold on, baby, what's your name? Mr. Face for me. She from Memphis, from behind, looking like a Georgia peach. In another nigga hood, my pistol on my waist for me. Ain't about no money, then what you gotta say to me on God? I wish I could free all my niggas out them pods. See them on the town, running around, getting involved.
And we all look good as fuck. She said she my eye, but I don't know her. Had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it, bitch. I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches next so long, sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business. You might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sleep. You know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog hoe, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me, who say that you can't hold? That nigga munching, he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass week, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow that these hoes will be mad at. Oh yeah, bitches sweet, and I always get my lick boo. I fight for my bitches and I'm fighting over dick too.
Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow.
Okay, so I'm finally done cleaning my room. I'm just now, this was not like this, but I'm just now getting to the my Valentine's Day gift. This is from Destiny. Check out the bag. Check out the bag. Let's see what we get. We got chocolate. I'm gonna have to eat this on a cheat day or when I go hard in the gym, one at a time. I have a Freeman Natural Skincare Relaxing Gel Mask. I have exfoliating gloves. It's crazy because I was just finna buy me some of these. I got a Krabby Patty kebab. I have a classic new car Arm & Hammer vent clip, odor eliminated, and fragrance lasts up to 30 days. I also have watermelon moisturizing bath soap. Baby, I need this cause hydrate and soften skin. When I say the gym have me so tired, girl, that gym had you irritated. Oh, high speed storage designed to keep you moving. Oh my God, hold on. I know this ain't what I think this is. Destiny! I know this ain't what I think it is. Is this a hard drive? Yeah. Oh, I got a hard drive. Stop playing. Water resistant, yeah. Reese's. Oh, a candle. My sweet sisters. Let's see what it smell like. Oh, this smells good. I should have lit this one.
You got like 3 in here. Wow,
this smells so good. Oh. Watermelon shea sugar scrub, watermelon extract, and chia seeds. Let's see how this coming. Oh, this smells good.
I was gonna get the actual tree home one, but that one was $2 cheaper.
This smells good. Yeah, so that's my, and then my daddy and Lincoln got me these. Stop playing. My little white flower look droopy, but it's cool. And then I also got my nephew. He ain't about this no, bro. Look at my little bear.
Sure
He's so cute. It say I love you. And he got me a hot dog.
Yeah, because I didn't get a bear. I got chocolate. He didn't get you chocolate.
Cause he know I'm going hard.
Yeah.
This way.
You can get that bag.
Why am I putting this in here? Okay, bye y'all. My room clean. Now I'm finna take a bath and all that, and might go get my nails done today or tomorrow. Trying to see. Okay, y'all, so I gotta make this quick till we going. Oh, I don't never film in my glasses. We getting ready to go to dinner and we got reservations. So which one I'm gonna open first? Aldo first. Let's see what we got. Just on the cushions. Oh my God, these are pretty. Oh my God, look at this. These are so pretty. And they soft. Oh, Jimmy shoe. I want you. Stop playing. If you already know what this red box is giving. Yeah. Oh, samples. Cage spade. I'm gonna put these in my purse right now. Get into the samples. Oh, this looks so pretty. And I got the matching lotion. Stop playing. Get into the bottle. I got on Baccarat right now, but we finna mix it. Oh, I ain't do that. Oh, this smells so good. This smells so good. Stop playing. Jimmy Choo. You want me. That's why you got this. Oh, this is so pretty. Get into it. Can y'all see that? It matched the shoes. Oh my God. I'm gonna do a whole unboxing. Get ready with me. Yeah, but I gotta go. Bye, y'all.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Things felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn. All of the bodies is bad. Girls, and we can play
Food is here. I have the salmon with the snap peas, I think, and potatoes. I might eat them, might not. Y'all know I'm on a bad. Salmon, as you can see, A1. Here we go, y'all.
Red, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave.
Okay, y'all, so I literally just woke up. I forgot to end the vlog, so I'm sitting here now. If you're watching this, that means the vlog is up now, so I hope you guys enjoying the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and all that. So, oh yeah, I did go get my nails done. I told y'all in the vlog I was gonna get them done, but I didn't record. Like, I told y'all I had to go work, so I just want to enjoy some little alone time with me. I did not get my feet done. I know it's weird. I don't know why I went to the nail shop and didn't get my feet done, so I might go do that today. Y'all will see that in the next vlog, but I'm editing this right now. So like I said, if you watching this, you caught up. So this finna go out right now. I'm watching Blacklist as well. So yeah, I'm currently watching Blacklist because they just put the new season on Netflix. So if you watching this, I know you made it to the end of the vlog, so comment down Blacklist. And if you don't watch Blacklist, you trip. You need to watch Blacklist. But I'm finna finish editing this vlog because it's going up today and I gotta get up for church. Y'all, I've been sick lately. Like, not like, I don't know, like, I've been taking NyQuil and stuff, but I don't know, this morning I coughed up something. Baby, I thought I was finna die, but I'm gonna keep taking medicine. My gym journey been going good. Stay tuned for that. I'm not giving up. Like, this ain't no just wake up and I want to work out. Like, no, this gonna be a lifetime thing, so stay tuned for that. What else? Yeah, just enjoy y'all Sunday. I hope everybody doing well. Put some hearts in the comments because this journey, we need love. So comment love and comment Blacklist, and that's it. I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Back at it. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope everybody enjoyed their Valentine's Day. I'm rambling. Bye, y'all.
Your money right, yeah, man. Know I keep a big bank. Pull up in that foreign thing looking like a fish tank. Rob who, take what? Y'all niggas show like